So new printer today.
I know, I'm really excited. It'll be interesting trying to get all the other orders done to see how the install goes. But yeah, I can't wait to start juggling orders and two printers at the same time.
Ready, 1, 2, go. Alright. Same one here. Then got one more optimizer there. Shake it, put it back in. But you can avoid all that, just give it a good shake. Some is a little bit more bulky and I'm just looking at it, here and that. The only downside. Today we are working on a helmet. What we do is we do a stock helmet design. We try to make it simple. We test out how long it takes somebody to install this, meaning me. Then I judge it based on a 1 to 3 scale on how hard it is to install.
I'm working on designing a page to our website. We're gonna include derby car wraps with decals. Try it out, see if it sells.
I am cutting the chrome purple for Heath Whitney's car that we are installing next week. My last color, I'm a little low, so I had to rearrange some of the things that he set up.
Jordan's really getting in there.
Concentrating face.
I have to, there's so many little pieces.
Heath Whitney's t-shirt, racing shirt, for the 2018 season.
Alright, so what we got going on the screen print shop today is a small shirt order from one of the local trucking companies. This simple design is just one color on the front, their logo right here on the chest. And then on the back, 2 colors, their logo a little bit bigger, just black and gray. Pretty simple design, shouldn't take too long to do, so let's get started on it.